examples of condition issues with appraisals. This is where we get a little bit into the dialogue of FHA and conventional. A lot of realtors go, oh my God, I don't want to do FHA because they have so many property condition restrictions. That's something, it's very close to false. If you have a hazardous condition issue on a home, you cannot close that loan with FHA or conventional. And what are some hazardous condition issues? If you walk into the living room and you can see into the basement, it's not mortgageable. If you walk up the stairs and there's no handrail and grandma can go up the stairs and fall to her death, not mortgageable. If there's no smoke detectors in the house, not mortgageable. And that's true with both FHA and conventional mortgages. So don't think or don't answer questions that are not your questions. I think this house isn't going to pass an inspection or appraisal because I'm with this kind of loan. That's a great conversation for you to have with your loan officer. Let's three-way that person right now. Right? You're not going to let them go. Don't say, call them, tell me how it goes. Pick up the phone. Send a three-way text message if they don't answer. Be a uniform unit that's saying the same thing, and who refuses to answer each other's questions. I will not answer a realtor's question. It empowers me to refer you. Otherwise, I'm doing all of it. That's like, who the hell wants to do all the work? That's too much. Empowering each other, helping each other, pinging questions off each other. So property condition issues, right? Shingles falling off the side of the house, siding falling down, cracked steps and staircases, no handrails. Actually kind of easy fixes for the most part. Nothing too difficult. Most homes are really close to mortgageable. It's just, you know, the family's been living there for a long time, so the handrail fell off and they never replaced it. So we just have to let them know, and the underwriter will, in the loan approval, as a condition to the loan, the underwriter will identify any title conditions and appraisal conditions as well. Don't shoot the messenger. If you call and you say, hey, Christian, how many conditions are on the approval? And I say 20. Does that sound like a lot? That sounds like a lot? That's crazy because most loans have like 25. Does it sound like a lot anymore? Why? Because I set an expectation. Because I said 25 is normal. 25 is not really normal. The fact is, we at the Home Buyer Learning Center, we truly are superior. We truly, truly are. My partner Dave, who you guys really never get to see, he is the master of underwriting, guidelines. My processing unit is incredible. We will often have 3 or 4 borrower conditions, things like updated pay stubs, things like, so long, good luck tonight. So things like borrower conditions, we'll have a few of those because we're going to do most of that work. We're going to collect documentation up front. We're going to do a lot of the heavy lifting up front. We're going to run AUS. We're going to know what's ahead of us. But the longer conditions is when we get surprised by appraisal issues and title issues. And so the condition list can get longer, but it's all very accomplishable. We bracket it out. Title conditions go to the attorney. Appraisal conditions go to the appraiser and the realtor. Borrower conditions get met by the borrower. A few days pass, and now we have a condition-free loan that we can close.
Home Buyer Learning Center. Everyone gets a house.